My name is Ratan Gupta from class 12th Commerce. I completed this project file which is based on the visit to a firm. This is a business administration project file, and I completed this project file to visiting some firms with my two friends Harvan Singh and Yash Khandelwal. This is given by my subject teacher whose name is Atin Agrawal. He gave me proper guidance according to him and give me uh, helpful support to complete this file. So in this file I type all the facts and knowledge which I get from the visiting to the firm, and the firm's name to which I visited are VMart and Reliance Data. So all facts are written in this file. Thank you. First of all, this is my introduction. Okay. Then this is certificate in which this is certified that it is completed by me. Here the acknowledgement in which I thank to my all teachers and parents who give me support to complete the file. This is intro which I visit to from VMart and Reliance Data. These are the photos to which I am visited. This is the introduction of the VMart which I get from the Wikipedia and from Google. VMart is a private limited. This is the some points and facts.
Yes.
These are some points and facts which I get from visit to the VMart, just like how much employees are there in the VMart and branches of VMart. This is the entrance which I get. This is the entrance information which I get from the VMart. The baggage counter. This is the picture of baggage counter. I click it, and the proper welcome to VMart greeting to the customer through which they affect to the VMart and to visit the VMart. This is daily routine task planning which is occur between the employers and employees on daily basis. These are the some points which is done by the VMart to familiarize the employees with the firm. Just like this poster is pasted on the wall of the VMart. I love VMart. These are the some facilities which is provided to the customers and employees. This is the further discussion of those facility provided to the customer. Drinking facility, trial room facility. May I help you is printed on the back of all employees who are working in that firm, by which there is no confusion in the employee's mind to who are the employee, through which we can take help. These are the head. He is the head cashier of the VMart, and there is a pic of employee who give me helpful information which I type in this file. In the VMart, there is a product-wide distribution through which there is no confusion in the customer mind to visit in the firm. These are some strategy which is used by the VMart to increase the sale of the firm. This is the hierarchy. First of all, there is a top level store manager, then assistant store manager, then these three head and CSA, who are the employees who give services to the customers. These are some points which I get from during visiting to the firm. These are the information from the employees. When I ask him some questions and take some information from him, he give me these information which I write in this project file. These are the information from head cashier, because I know there is a information variation between the employer's mind and employee mind. That why I ask both of them to find the information of the VMart. Then I go to Reliance Data for some information. This is the pic from Reliance Data. This is the information which I get from the Wikipedia. On the entrance of the Reliance Data, there is some slogans which affect the customer to sale in the firm. In Reliance Data, there is also the divisional structure. He is the sales executive in the firm. He give me information for project file. These are the information. And in Reliance Digital, there is no information to the outsider is given because there is some secrets in the Reliance Digital. And according to the notes of the business administration, the Henry Shore principle are follows or not. I write in this project file just like division of work, authority and responsibility. Both firm follows or not. This is the conclusion of the project file, and this is the bibliography.
In bibliography, we want to store Reliance Digital, store Wikipedia and self-knowledge.